and welcome to Multidata. My name is Stephen, and today I will guide you through the first steps with mdpremium.net. Your administrator has placed an icon on your desktop. Double-click it to open the login window, then enter your password. The main screen appears, which is the central starting point for all activities in mdpremium.net. Depending on your licenses and your rights, you can see a number of items up here in the main menu. You can adapt the main screen to your personal requirements. To do so, go to Settings in the main menu. Here, you can activate or deactivate the search bar, taskbar, and the start bar. To show the start bar, select the corresponding menu item and drag the bar to your preferred spot on the main screen. If you like, you can also place the start bar on the other side of the screen. Just double-click here and move it. The start bar gives you quick access to common functions. We've already added some functions for you. Now let's add something to the startup folder. Right-click to open the menu and then click Add Shortcut. Now you see a list of all items in the main menu in a tree structure. Double-click the required functions and close the window. As you can see, the selected functions have been added to the startup folder. The next time you start mdpremium.net, all menu items of the startup folder will be launched automatically. If you want to, you can minimize the start bar at any time. To do so, move the cursor to the top of the bar and click the pin. The start bar is now pinned to the side and can be expanded whenever needed. Likewise, you can place, minimize, and expand the search and the taskbar on your main screen. As the name suggests, the search bar allows you to search different areas. Let's search for multidata. Activate all the areas you want to search and click Search or press Enter. As a next step, double-click the row indicator of the relevant search result in the list, and the result will be displayed in the corresponding window. Now let's just quickly place the taskbar. At the bottom of your screen, you will find the Quick Launch Menu Search. The menu search enables you to find menu items in the blink of an eye without having to work your way through the main menu of mdpremium.net. To search for the menu items, simply type the required term into the search field. For example, customer. You will immediately see a list of all menu items matching your search term. Now just select the required entry and the corresponding window is displayed immediately. Of course, you can also customize the entire look and feel of mdpremium.net. To do so, go to Settings in the main menu and select Options. To change the look of the user interface, go to Look and Feel and select a skin. Then, choose a style and click Apply. There is a wide range of styles available. It won't take you long to find your favorite. If required, you can even change the font type and size in mdpremium.net. For instance, if you want to change the font size of the menu bar, enter a higher number here, let's say 10, and click Apply. If you don't like the new size, just click Reset to undo the change. If you want to learn more about the first steps in mdpremium.net, visit our online documentation at www.multidata.at.